Planning on Juran technology. Our chosen topic, which is step 2 of the quality planning of Juran technology, is identify customer need. Product or service is from the production process that will be bought or used by the customer. There are various products or services sold to the end user or customer. The customer is someone or somebody that gets the exact need or specification met by what we offer in the market. The customer will be getting benefits from our product or service that we offer in the market. So, next is about the type of customer. Customer can be divided into two main categories, which is external and internal. External customer is from outside of the producing organization, and internal customer is from inside of the producing organization. Next is ideal customer. An ideal customer can be found with several steps, which are: first one is know your product or service. Second, determine your goal, the organization goal, which is towards the target customer. The third one is analyze past interaction with the previous customer. The fourth one is build customer profile. And the last one is, of course, remember your hard work. For your information, most importantly, customer will come or buy our product with a product known for its quality. Quality can be determined from the product itself. Quality also can be determined from our service, given that either during the customer buying our product or even after the customer buy the product, which is the after sale service. Next, next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. My name is Ahmad Nurakin bin Azwan Effendi. Today I will present about identify the customer. So let's we go to the next slide. We go to the first slide for introduction of identify the customer. Nowadays, to make sure of our product meet the customer need, the company need identify and target customer first to selling their product. The product that want to selling must target the customer that will willing to buy the company product. Business of the company can be successful if their product and service have enough buyers in the market. If the company only targets some of the customer, they will get small profit. If the trend continuously, the business maybe will be can failure because the small demand from a customer is low. The company must focus the customer that they want to buy the product and service. Also, customer feedback should be regularly and carefully monitor before formulating any major business strategy. So, if the company get the perfect formula for attract the customer, this will help the company to expand their business. So, we go to the next slide. There are two types of the customer, internal and external. So for the internal customer within the company then colleagues working together for deliver a service or product for the external customer. And for the external customer is maybe an individual or an enterprise that hire or purchase the product or service from another person or business in exchange of money. So why the important of the factor from business is the customer? Without customer, business cannot exist. But to capture customer, a business must try to find out what people want, how much and how often they will buy, and how their post-purchase satisfaction will be ensured. Identify the customer is also one of the part of Juran Trilogy on the quality planning. This part is very important before the quality control and quality improvement start. This quality planning will ensure the product will meet the customer satisfaction. Before starting the project or product, the customer must need to identify either the product is new model or existing model. They must identify the changes of demand customer from time to time. This also can call the customer trend. If the customer has existing product, they can remodel the product to the innovation product to meet the market demand. The company that follow the customer trend will easily catch customer need and can expand their market over the world. Okay, we go to the next slide. How to get know customer. Firstly, it research the customer base that has particular company business. This can do by having customer fill out survey or having a drawing based on customers submitting their business card. Next, use the data to determine the basic demographic of company current customer base. It's a good idea to find out their interests as they pertain to company business so can get an accurate picture of the type of product or service are important to them, as well as the correct way to market to them. Other consider the psychography of company target market. Characteristics such as personality, attitude, value, interested, and lifestyle can define where you want to spend your marketing expenses. For example, if the company find the characteristic that define company customer include an interest in fine art, the company can place advertisement in local art venue and program brochure. Next, so the company must know how to find the ideal customer to reach the target expectation. Firstly, the company should know what product that they are sell and also the service that they are serve for the customer. Second, after you know what product and service you provide, the company should make the target to achieve either in short term or in the long term. Third, after a few time, set the date that company to analyze to find the weakness of the product or service and also find the improvement that can upgrade the product and service quality. Fourth, after getting data from the customer, the company can more detail the customer need by create the customer profile to identify the most need from the customer. So, the conclusion, when all the way find the ideal customer can be done, this will give a lot profit to the company too. Also, give good competitive advantage to them. Thank you from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharif Afan bin Mujab. Now I explain to you about introduction to quality planning on Juran technology. Our chosen topic, which is step 2 of the quality planning of Juran technology, is identify customer need. Product or service is from the production process that will be bought or used by the customer. There are various products or services sold to the end user or customer. The customer is someone or somebody that gets the exact need or specification met by what we offer in the market. The customer will be getting benefits from our product or service that we offer in the market. So, next is about the type of customer. Customer can be divided into two main categories, which is external and internal. External customer is from outside of the producing organization, and internal customer is from inside of the producing organization. Next is ideal customer. An ideal customer can be found with several steps, which are: first one is know your product or service. Second, determine your goal, the organization goal, which is towards the target customer. The third one is analyze past interaction with the previous customer. The fourth one is build customer profile. And the last one is, of course, remember your hard work. For your information, most importantly, customer will come or buy our product with a product known for its quality. Quality can be determined from the product itself. Quality also can be determined from our service, given that either during the customer buying our product or even after the customer buy the product, which is the after sale service. Next,
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. And thank you to the Mr. Okay, next is customer need is driving a customer to buy a product or services. For example, the most common customer needs are decide to purchase food. There are several types of customer needs that drive customer to make a decision, such as price, convenience, experience, design, reliability, performance, efficiency, and functionality. Which the customer, when they want to buy a product, they need to decide, and that is a problem that we need to deal with. So as operations that we need to deal with the customer and we need to solve their problem, which is they have many options to buy a product. Okay, for example, such as Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza, both of them provide same product, which is pizza, but they have a different taste, different quality, and different price. So we as business persons, we need to have them have them to choose the options. Okay, that is can be considered such as price and convenience, design, performance. So to make the customer decide the options, we need to consider the price. For the first thing is customer mostly prefer to buy a product is depends on the price because they have a unique budget to buy the product, and the design and performance of the product also affected them to decide to buy the product. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, next is other than choosing the price and other choosing the price and performance, the design of the product or services also the main things that we consider, which is the design is the way to attract the customer, but must take relatively easy and intuitive to use. Okay, such examples that we choose the health and beauty care. For example, the facial wash. The design is must be appropriate with the ingredients and good easy use, which is teach the customer how to use the product. That is the best way to choose the product in design. So that if the product is you have the ingredients and teach customer how to use the product, that is the product is become more efficient and make the customer more attractive to buy our product. Okay, that's all.
Next, I will tell you about a case study on McDonald's regarding how to identify the customer. There are limited number of customers in the market. And of course, customers are not all the same. They're having their own needs and also behavior. These examples represent just a few of McDonald's possible customer profile. To build long-term business, it is essential to retain people once they have become our customer. The market research identifies there are different types of customer, which is each has different reason for coming to the market. Using this type of information, McDonald's can tailor communication to the needs of specific groups. It is their needs that determine the type of products and services offered, price charged, promotion created, and where restaurants are located. To meet the needs of the key market, it is important to analyze the internal marketing strength of the organization. Strengths and weaknesses must be identified so that a marketing strategy which is right for the business can be decided upon. And that's all from me. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dua tiga. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saida bin Zamri. So I will explain about the industrial example related to our start. So we choose McDonald's as our industrial example. So I will explain how McDonald's discover their customer needs. Okay, first, as you know, McDonald's is a hamburger business and franchise and have 69 million customers per day in more than 100 countries. They are the largest franchise restaurant in as they can achieve 69 million customers in one day only. Okay, so McDonald's is introduced by the McDonald's brothers in 1940 and then bought by the Ray Kroc, a successful businessman, in 1961. Okay, but the Ray Kroc didn't change the restaurant name. He still used McDonald's as the restaurant as his restaurant name. Okay, and then so as Ray Kroc already bought the McDonald's restaurant from the McDonald's brother, he introduced the advertisement power, as he believed if advertisement will increase their income to attract their customer. So this is the example of food that being sold in McDonald's, and the advertisement introduced by Ray Kroc have three objectives. He wants the customer to be aware of their product. They want the customer feel the positivity of their product, and also they want customer to remember their product. So they invest a lot in advertisement. In the early establishment, he and the organization invest about 1% of their sales into advertisement only. And then for now, average, they spend $2 billion to advertisement only. So because of Ray Kroc's strategy, he believed that advertisement can attract their customer in any groups of people, such as children, teenagers, and old citizens. Okay. Next is the other steps that McDonald's use to discover their customer needs. So this is the common strategy that big organizations use. They use feedback and response. So for McDonald's, they have a website to ask questions. The website is called Our Food, Your Questions. So this is the link of the website. So with this website, they are able to communicate with all different groups of customers. So any customer from different countries can post their questions into the website, and then the representative from McDonald's will reply to our questions. Okay, so this is the example of the interface inside the website. So this is the customer questions. So you can see we use pork or lard, any of your beef and chicken products. So we can, other customer also can read the questions and the answer. Okay, so this is the questions, and then this is the reply, the message reply by the McDonald's representative. They ask about the customer asks about the real fruit of smoothies. So although the questions was posed by the other customer from different countries, but like us in Malaysia, we also can see the answer, see the questions, see the feedback from McDonald's. So from the feedback of McDonald's customer, in addition, they also use random interview at the street, at their restaurant, to ask about their foods, their organizations. Okay, so from the all feedback that they have received, they acknowledge that customer want fast service, hot food, cleanliness, and affordable prices. So for fast service, Ray Kroc have introduced the factory line assembly design into their kitchen, into their kitchen department, so they can cut from 20 minutes to prepare the foods to 30 seconds to prepare one menu. So and then they can serve it out food to their customer, as this is what their customer want. And then, okay, for another example is fast service in McDonald's is the drive-through strategy. We can see that in McDonald's they use two windows at the drive-through, one for make payment and also another one is to pick up your order, so that can reduce the waiting time of for their customer. Next point is cleanliness. So McDonald's is a restaurant. It's a place where we want to eat. We want cleanliness. Okay, so they focus on their cleanliness in the kitchen and also in their toilet. And next is affordable prices. So affordable prices, even though this is fast food, but McDonald's can give the prices that suitable for all types of people, of citizens. One of their strategy is apply the self-service method. As we can see, when we go to McDonald's, we need to service ourselves. Okay, so we need to pick up our food by ourselves. We need to clean up our table by ourselves. So from this, it can reduce their prices because they have less expenses on the salaries and wages of their workers, as the workers in a restaurant is limited. So from all those feedback, this is what they can conclude what their customer want. Okay, so I have a video. So this is an example of advertisement that McDonald's use to attract kids. Okay, as you can see, they use a lot of cartoons, movies, video clips to attract the kids. Okay. They not only focus on kids and teenagers, but they also advertisement to attract the old citizens. Okay. So from two of these advertisements, we can see that McDonald's can attract all different ages of their customer to come to their restaurant. So that's all from me for the industrial example. Thank you. Okay, as a conclusion from our steps that we already choose, first, the second step is to identify the customer, and the third step is to discover the customer needs. Okay, as a conclusion from these two steps, planning in every organization or business is very important because we need to know, we need to identify first our customer. When we know our customer, we can build our product, and then we need to know how big the groups of customers that we want to attract, whether in a small group or in a big group, and then how many buyers that we can attract in certain times with our products. And then the third step is discover the customer needs. For as my friends have presented, there are 4 steps to discover the customer needs. First is to plan to collect the needs, their expectations, and then collect their expectation, their needs, their response in their language, and then we analyze and we prioritize which response, which feedback is important for our business. And lastly, we translate it to our language. This means that we take action from their feedback. So from those 2 steps,